Welcome to our product introduction video, where we present the Tooltos DM-8 bench grinder inverter dust collecting jewelry polishing machine. Designed for efficiency and precision, this versatile machine is perfect for your polishing needs. Powered by a pure copper motor, the Tooltos DM-8 ensures strong, reliable performance, delivering high working efficiency to meet all your polishing needs. This multi-purpose benchtop polisher is equipped with a tapered spindle, accommodating polishing wheels and brushes up to 7 inches in diameter, ensuring uniform rust removal, buffing, and polishing. The clear acrylic baffle not only prevents dust and contaminants from hurting your eyes, but also comes with lighting to give you a clear view of your work, ensuring precision and safety. Easily adjust the speed with the 8-position knob, reaching up to 4,200 RPM. The digital display shows the current rotational speed, allowing you to conveniently and flexibly adjust according to your work needs. Powerful dust collector prevents dust and contaminants from splashing around, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Dust collection bag collects dust and is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Follow these steps for optimal performance. 1. Connect the power supply. Be careful to check that the power supply voltage is the same as that used by the machine. 2. Attach the grinding wheel-mounted shafts and secure the polishing wheels. 3. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the dust collection switch and the light switch. 4. Adjust the speed using the 8-position knob, checking the digital display for the current RPM. 5. Begin polishing your jewelry or materials, ensuring a smooth and refined finish. This machine is perfect for polishing jewelry, agate, aluminum, jade, acrylic dental materials, metal parts, and plastic parts, making it ideal for both stores and studios. Experience the power, precision, and convenience of the Tooltos DM-8 bench grinder inverter dust collecting jewelry polishing machine. Order yours today and take your polishing to the next level.